All right, what's going on YouTube, and thanks for tuning back in. So today's video is going to be on how to properly install wheel spacers on a 2020 Subaru WRX STI. Now, just like any other video that I have on my channel, I'm going to show you what tools are required for this installation. Then I'm going to show you the actual product or the part itself and how it was shipped to my house. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to properly install these on your vehicle. Now, since there are 4 wheels though, I am only going to show you one in detail. With that being said, let's get to it. So these are the tools that I'll be using today to install the wheel spacers. First off is a impact wrench, battery operated or pneumatic, it doesn't matter. If you do have one of these little guys, use it. It's gonna make the job a lot faster and easier. If you don't, you can use the hand tools. It also works. Next is gonna be a 19mm impact deep socket, 1/2 inch. Then you're gonna have your socket that came with the lug nuts, the black ones. Next is a 1/2 inch ratchet. Then you're also going to have a 1/2 inch torque wrench. And then last but not least, the thread locker. Okay, so here are the wheel spacers and the lug nuts. This is the way they came packaged and shipped to my house. I'm going to talk about these little guys first, the spacers, and then I'm going to talk about the lug nuts. I'm not going to get into depth with it, with all the specs and everything. I'm going to list that down below in the comments section. So with that being said, let's move the lug nuts to the side, open this little guy up. So again, this is the way they came mailed to the house or shipped to the house. As you can tell, they all have nice bubble wrap on there to protect them. And that's for each single one. So other than that, yeah, like I said, specifications is going to be listed down below. I'm not going to waste your time with that. Next is going to be the lug nuts. Got 20 of them. Comes with a user manual. Nice. And then just to show you real quick what they look like. All black. And then it also comes with the socket specifically for these lug nuts. And yeah, there you go. Lug nuts and the spacers. First thing you have to do is you have to remove the wheel using that 19mm deep socket. So that's not a must, but what I did since I had the wheel off, I wiped down the caliper and I wiped off the surface on the rotor where the spacer is going to make contact with. Okay, now before I install this spacer on the vehicle, I'm going to take it and place it behind the wheel just to ensure that it properly fits. After that, again, I'm going to take the spacer, then install it to the vehicle. Before I tighten these bolts down, or sorry, these lug nuts down, I'm going to be using orange Loctite and then torquing every single lug nut down to 89 foot-pounds. Okay, now I'm going to install the wheels. I'm going to be using the black lug nuts and no orange Loctite, and then I will torque them down to 89 foot-pounds. All right, so there we go. Just showed you how to properly install some wheel spacers on a 2020 Subaru WRX STI. If you liked the video, hit that like button. Also, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, please, and turn on those notifications because I will be posting more videos here in the near future, about every couple weeks, depending what I have going on. So other than that, YouTube, thanks for tuning back in. Until next time, take it easy.